Today we're gonna be reviewing a 4K dash cam. Here's what comes in the box. We got the manual, tells you everything about your new dash cam. The power, the cigarette lighter, and USB Type C. You got, this is a harness to connect it to hardwire to your car. So this has the same USB Type C connection, but this goes to your fuse box. So whenever you turn off the car, you can still be watching over it with your dash cam. So it will stay on even if your car is off. So you can monitor your car anywhere you are with the app. This dash cam does have an app that you can watch your videos and you can download them if you need to, in case of anything that you need to, that you witness or you want to download. This is the back camera. If you gonna install the back camera, well, there's enough cable to get to the back of your any car, any truck. So if you're gonna install it, it comes with one, so you can see both at the same time, your back and the front. Have a tool to pry your installation path, because it goes from the top of your windshield inside, around the dashboard, under, and then to your cigarette lighter. This helps it get installed easier and faster. And here is your dash cam. Super small and convenient. There it is. It's very nice. It's thin. Has a 3.5-inch LED display, so it looks really nice. It has your plug here for the power. So this is where you're gonna plug that USB Type C. That has the adhesive for your windshield. Has controllers here on the sides. You got OK menu, lock it, and power on. And this one is up, down, and then option. And it comes with a 64 gig mini SD card, or mini SD, 64 gigs. So you don't have to buy anything. It comes with your car, with your dash cam. So you're set out of the gate with the memory card. So to be able to use it, you have to plug your cigarette lighter to the USB Type C. And then again, you can hardwire to get security on your car 24/7, 180-degree lens, so you can see the whole front of your car 180 degrees, all the way to the all sides. It's very convenient. It's very compact. Like you see, you can install it different ways. I already told you, double vision. You could see the back and the front, or you can just do the front. So let's just go install it and see how it looks. I just finished installing this. So basically what we do is run the cable through all this, down here, up here. See the cable there? Just put it inside, through here, cable there, all the way here, and to the camera. That's it. It's pretty easy. It took me about 10 minutes, and you see how it looks. Tells you everything. Has GPS right there. It's on. The you can connect to Wi-Fi and all that, but microphone, everything. Small, it's discreet, and now you're ready to go. So definitely recommend it. If you're in the market for a camera, there you have it. Easy installation. And if it comes with back camera, if you want to. I don't want the back camera because the car already has one. But back camera, and you can hardwire this so it's on all the time, and you can record 24/7 for the security for your car. So definitely recommend it. Give it a check out. Bye. So I hope this video helped, and thank you.